Hello dear students, welcome to the channel Maths Olympiad Tutor. So in this video we are solving set A of grade 4 IMO paper year 23. So let us start solving the paper. The first section here is logical reasoning. So the first question is, how many different possible combinations of one rabbit and one carrot each can be formed from the given rabbits and carrots? So as we can see here, 5 rabbits are there and 3 carrots are there. So the different possible combinations are 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15, which is here in option B. Question 2 is, which of the following letters do not have a line of symmetry? So here D, the first option is D. So D has a line of symmetry, a horizontal line is there, which is a line of symmetry for the letter D. For the option B, it is M letter. So again a horizontal line is there, a vertical line is there, which is a line of symmetry for the letter M. And in option D, that is T letter, again has a line of symmetry, the vertical line. But in option C, that is L, letter L does not have a line of symmetry. So it is option C here. Question 3 here is, find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. So first we need to find the rule here. So it is in the first row, as we can see, it is 5 multiplied by 6, that is 30, plus 3 gives us 33. Similarly here in second row, 7 multiplied by 4, that is 28, plus 3 gives us 31. So same rule will apply in column. In the third row, so that is 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18, plus 3 gives us 21. So it is option D here, 21. Fourth question is about coding. So there are certain codes given for certain letters. We need to find the code for the word brain. So first it is, the letter is B and the code is this exclamation mark. Then we have the letter R, the code is this C, which is in a circle like this. Then we have A, the code is letter A like this. Then we have letter I, the code is this dollar sign, and last is letter N, the code is plus sign. So it is exclamation mark, then this C encircled, A and dollar sign and plus sign, which is here in option A. Question 5 here is, select the correct mirror image of the given figure. This is the image given to us and this is the mirror given to us. We need to find the mirror image. Now here this cap is missing, so this is ruled out. This here the color is changed, so this is ruled out. So answer is one of either B or C. So now if you can carefully observe, this B option is exactly similar to what is being given, so it can't be the mirror image. So we have to select option C. Then question 6 here is, select the combination of numbers from the options in which the given letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. So it is very clear that these letters can form the word bucket. So the word here is bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T. So we need just to arrange the numbers. For B it is 3, for U it is 5, for C it is 2, K 4, E 6 and T 1. So it is 3 5 2 4 6 1, option B. Question 7 here is, there is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of this. Identify the relationship of the given pair and find the missing figure. So here it is a circle given to us. Again the circle is there, so we need to check how the letters or the alphabets or the symbols inside the circle are moving from here to here. So now the alphabets or the symbols inside the circle, this first circle, how are they moving? This is in anti-clockwise direction, like this letter, for example K here, it is moving in anti-clockwise direction, and we are skipping this place. This is the next place where it should be put if we are moving it in anti-clockwise direction, but we are skipping this place and we are directly putting it here. So it is like this, it will come here. Similarly the letter S, now it will move in anti-clockwise direction, so we'll skip this position and we'll place it here, so it will be S like this. Similarly this hash sign, when we move it, we'll skip this position and we place it here. So same logic we need to apply here for this. So similarly this M, when we move it anti-clockwise direction, it should come here, but we'll skip this position and we'll place it here. Then P, it should come at this position, but we'll place it here. Then this percentage sign should come here, but we'll skip and we'll place it here. And this dot sign should come here instead of M, but we should skip this position and place it here, so it should be dot. So it is like this. So this first square, the small square inside, this is P here, which is here. This is percentage sign, this is dot, this is M, which is option D here. So we should select this. Mahima is facing the bookshop, and if she takes the 3/8 turn clockwise, here 3/8 turn clockwise, so now then it takes 1/2 turn anti-clockwise, then she'll be facing which place? Now Mahima in this question is facing bookshop, so this is the bookshop, so Mahima is facing the bookshop here. Now she is taking 3/8 turn clockwise, so 3/8 turn clockwise means this is one turn, second turn, third turn clockwise, so she'll reach school. And now she takes half turn anti-clockwise, so from here school, half turn anti-clockwise is like this, so she'll reach market. So it is option C here for this question. Then question 9, if star R and T are removed from the arrangement, then star dash is third to the right of third star from the left end. So we need to remove R and star T. This R is removed and this star T is removed. Then we need to find which star would be third to the right of third star from the left end. So we need to first check left hand, which is this. Third star from the left end is 1, 2 and 3. So this is K, which is the third star from the left end. Now we have to go to its right. Now 1, 2, 3. So P star, this star P is third to the right of third star from the left end. So it is star P, which is option A here. We should select this. Question 10 is, which of the following is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part? So we need to check which of these ABCDs is exactly embedded. So if we carefully observe this C here, like this, so it is exactly embedded here, so we should select C. Question 11 here is, given figure is made up of a square and a rectangle. So this MNLK is a square and GHIJ is a rectangle. We need to find the length of LK, this particular side of the square. So this HI here is given as 19 centimeter, this, and this is 6, this is 3. So 6 plus 3, 9. This complete side 19 minus this and this 9. 19 minus 9 will give us 10. So this particular from N to K is 10. Now it is a square. This means all the sides are equal, so LK should also be 10, which is D here. Next question is question 12, which of the following figure shows half as shaded fraction? So here in option A, it is 1/3. 1 is shaded out of 3 total parts. Then in option B, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded out of 12 equal parts. So it is 6/12. When we reduce it, we'll get 1/2. So in this B option, half is shaded. So we should select this. Let us check C and D also. In C option, 4 are shaded out of 6. So when we reduce it, we'll get 2/3. And in the D option, it is 2 are shaded out of 6. When we reduce it, we get 1/3. So this means in option B, half is shaded. Question 13 is, find the estimated value of the number shown on the abacus when rounded off to nearest hundreds. So there is an abacus given to us. We need to round it off to the nearest hundreds. So the number here is 2, then 3, then it is 5, 2 and 4. We have to round it off to nearest 100, so we need to check the tens place, which is 2 less than 5, so it would be 23500. So it is here in option B. We should select this. Then question 14 is, if x is 7th multiple of 8 and y is smallest factor of 150, then the value of x minus y is. X is 7th multiple of 8, so this means x is 56. 7th multiple of 8, 8 multiplied by 7, that is 56. Why? Smallest factor of 150, smallest factor of any number is 1. So value of x minus y is 56 minus 1, that is 55. Then question 15 is Minnie took 14 minutes 8 seconds to walk from her home to school. On her way back home, she took another route and reached home in 12 minutes 44 seconds. How much time did he save by taking the shorter route? So to find how much time she is saving, for that we need to subtract both the times. So 14 minutes 8 seconds when converted into seconds. How to convert? 1 minute is 60 seconds, so 14 minutes is 14 into 60, that is 840 seconds plus 8 seconds. So in total it is 848 seconds. Similarly, we'll convert the second time here, which is 12 minutes 44 seconds. 12 minutes 44 seconds. So 12 minutes we have to convert into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 12 minutes is equal to 12 into 60 seconds, which is 720 seconds plus this 44. So it makes it 764 seconds. So the difference here is 848 minus 764, which is 84 seconds. 84 seconds when converted into minutes and seconds will be getting 1 minute 24 seconds. So it is option C here. Question 16 and 17 are based on a bar graph. The bar graph shows the number of packets of diyas sold during the given 5 days of a week. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Question 16 is what fraction of total number of packets of diyas were sold on Wednesday? So we need to find the fraction for the packets of diyas that were sold on Wednesday. So here Wednesday data is 80 diyas. So 80 is the data for Wednesday upon the total data. Total number of diyas sold on all the 5 days. So it is 65 for Monday plus 50 plus 80 plus 35 plus 60. The total here is 290. So when reduced, it will give us 8 upon 29. Question 17 is if each packet of diya cost 250 rupees, then how much total money was earned on Tuesday and Friday together? So on Tuesday 50 diyas were sold. On Friday 60 diyas were sold. So 50 plus 60, that is 110. So each packet is cost 250 rupees. So this means 110 multiplied by 250 will give us the total amount, that is 27,500, option B. Question 18 here is which of the following gives the greatest value? So for this we need to find the value for A, B, C, D, all the 4 options. So for option A it is CMLX plus XCIX. So if we calculate this, the first CMLX is 960 plus XCIX is 99. So the value here is 1059. 1059. The next, that is B, is DCCV minus CXV. So DCCV is 705, CXV is 115. When we subtract, we'll get 590. Option C here is CDLIV plus CCC. So CDLIV is 454, CCC is 300. When we add, we'll get 754. D is MCMXC minus DCX. So MCMXC, when we solve, we'll get 1990. DCX is 610. When we subtract, we'll get 1380. So here the greatest value is D, 1380. Question 19 here is compare and fill the box. So we need to solve this left side, right side, and then we'll put the sign in the box. So it is left side is 5 upon 18 plus 3 upon 6 minus 2 upon 9. So these are unlike fraction. We'll make them like. We'll find the LCM of denominators 18, 6 and 9, which is 18. So when we make them like, then we'll have to add and subtract as given the question. We'll find the final value is to be 10 upon 18 here. The left side is 10 upon 18 when we solved it. The right side, again unlike fractions, we'll make them like by making LCM. So it is 6, 18, 9. The LCM is for the denominators 6, 18 and 9. The denominators are there. We find LCM. It is 18. Again, when we add and subtract the fractions, we'll get the final answer as 22 upon 18. So now 22 upon 18 is bigger fraction than 10 upon 18. So it is less than sign, which is option B here. So we should select this. Question 20 is, a big milk container contains 18 liter 450 milliliter of milk. The milk is then poured into 3 small containers of capacity 4 liter 200 ml each. How much quantity of milk is left in the big container? So 18 liter 450 milliliter of milk was there. It was poured into 3 small containers of capacity 4 liter 200 ml each. So this means 4 liter 200 milliliter, that is the total capacity here is 4000 milliliter plus 200 milliliter, which is 4200 milliliter, multiplied by 3, because 3 small containers are there. So total it is 12 liter and 600 milliliter. This figure multiplied by 3 will give us 12 liter 600 milliliter. So this is poured. The quantity of milk left is 18 liter 450 milliliter minus this 12 liter 600 milliliter. So when we find the difference, it is 5 liter 850 milliliter here. Option B. Everyday mathematics, the next section. So here question 21 is, Karthik bought 515 sacks of sugar. If each sack contains 43 kilogram of sugar, then how much total sugar did he buy? So for this, we need to multiply these two figures. 515 multiplied by 43, that is 22,145 kilogram. Question 22 is, Purbi travelled 45 kilometers 750 meter on Friday, 52 kilometer 435 meter on Saturday, 67 kilometer 864 meter on Sunday from her home and reached her grandparents' home. How far is Purvi's grandparents' home from her home? So for this we need to add all the distances. So just add all these three figures here. So the total here is 166 kilometer 49 meter. This option A. 23. In one round of a number game, Ashima got the given number cards. Which of the following greatest 5-digit number can she form by using each digit at least once? So 4 digits are there. We need to find greatest 5-digit number. This means we need to repeat a digit. So the number here, that is the greatest 5-digit number, would be 77431, which is option C. So we cannot repeat 7 more than twice, because it is mentioned that we have to use each digit except 7. 7 we have repeated twice, but the rest of digits 4, 1 and 3 we have to use at least once. We cannot ignore either 4, either 1, either 3. We have to use 4, 1, 3 also. So the number here is 77,431. Question 24 is, Virat's daily income is 750 rupees. How much total money will he earn in the month of August and September together if he works every day? So August 31 days, September 30 days, so total 61 days. 31 plus 30, that is 61 days. He is working every day and earning rupees 750 daily, that is per day income. So it is 61 days multiplied by 750 rupees will give us a earning for these 2 months of August and September, that is 45,750, which is here option B. Question 25. In a marathon, 2,562 people participated. Out of these, 2.3 of total people was 60 years or above. How many people below 60 years participated in the marathon? So 2.3 of this figure, 2,562, is 1,708. So 1,708 people were the people who were more than 60 years. So if you find the difference between these two figures, 2,562 and 1,708 will give us the people who were below 60 years. So that figure is 854, option A. Question 26 is, Atul bought 15 packets of milk which cost 645. How much will 24 such packets of milk cost? 15 packets of milk, the cost is 645 rupees. So cost of one packet of milk is 645 divided by 15, that is 43 rupees. So now we can easily find the cost of 24 such packets only by multiplying the cost of one packet with 24. So it is 24 multiplied by 43 rupees, that is 1032 rupees here. Question 27 is, Kirti walks around given rectangular field 2 times. Find the total distance covered by her. So this is The question is only asking about the perimeter of the given rectangle. So it is perimeter of rectangle is 2l plus b. L is 70, which is the length, b is breadth, which is 50 for this question. So it is 2, inside the bracket we will place 70 plus 50. 70 plus 50 is 120, multiplied by 2 will give us 240 meter. So this is the perimeter, but Kirti is walking around the given rectangle 2 times, so we have to double this. 240 multiplied by 2, that is 480 meter. This question 28 is, a bicycle company manufactures this many bicycles in a month. Out of these, 8,719 bicycles were defective. The question is, how many manufactured bicycles were not defective? So simple, in this question we have to subtract only. 48520 minus 8719 will give us 39,801. Option D. Question 29 is, Kavya bought the given washing machine. The tag on the machine is the price of machine after rounding it off to nearest hundreds. So here the tag is the value which is rounded off. Which of the following could be the price of washing machine? So we need to find the original price before rounding off. So we need to check all the options, like in option 24, question 29, option C here is 58,595. So when we round it off to this number to nearest hundreds, we need to check the tens place, which is 9 more than 5. So it would be 58,600, because we'll add 1 here to the 100 place. So it will become 58,600, which is this particular cost shown. So we need to choose this option. Question 30 is, there are 60 passengers in a bus, out of which 25 are males, 20 are females, rest are children. The fraction of total passengers in the bus are children. So fraction for the children passengers we need to find. So 25 are males, 20 are females. This means 25 plus 20, 45 out of 60 we have to remove. So 60 minus 45, that is 15. 15 passengers were children. So the fraction is 15 upon 60. When we reduce this by the table of 15, we'll get 1 upon 4. Option D. Achievers section. Question 31 is, if the digits at 100 place and unit place in each of the following numbers are interchanged, then the Roman numeral. So P, the number is 3518. When we interchange the 100 place and the unit place means ones place, the new number that we get is 3,815. Similarly for Q, when we interchange, we'll get the number as 2,719. So now we need to find the Roman numerals. So 3,815, the Roman numeral is here. Similarly for 2,719, the Roman numeral is this. So we should select option A. 32. We have to read the given statements and state T for true and F for false. The largest factor of a number is always 1. It says the largest factor of a number is always 1, but the largest factor of any number is the number itself. It is not 1. So this is false statement. Second is, there are 6 common multiples of 5 and 15 that lie between 1 and 100. So we need to find the multiples of 5 and 15 between this range 1 and 100. Then we'll check the common multiples. So when we do all this, we'll get to know that the common multiples of 5 and 15 that lie between 1 and 100 are 6. What are these 6 multiples? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and 90. That's it. These are the 6 multiples, 6 common multiples. So this is a true statement. Third is, the HCF of 40 and 200 is 20, which is a false statement. The HCF of 40 and 200 is not 20. So it is FDF. Here option D. We should select option D for this particular question, because this is false, true and false. Question 33 here is, the given table shows the points scored by Raghav and Puneet in 3 rounds of a quiz competition. So it is Raghav, Puneet, 3 rounds, first, second, third. Raghav scored 40 points less than Puneet in the second round. So there's a hint. Puneet has scored second round 80 score, and so this means 40 points less. So 80 minus 40, this means Raghav has scored 40 points here. 80 minus 40, that is 40 in the second round. Now the question is, what fraction of total points is scored by Raghav in the second round? What fraction of total points is scored by Raghav? That is here 40. Raghav has scored 40, so it is 40 upon total is 50 plus this 50 plus 40 plus 90, which is 180. So when we reduce this, we'll get the fraction as 2 upon 9. This means answer has to be C. Let us check the second second part also, B part. Who won the quiz and by how many points? For this, we need to find the total points scored by Raghav, total points scored by Puneet, both. So Raghav here scored 50 plus 40 plus 90, that is 180. Similarly, Puneet scored 70 plus 80 plus 60, that is 210. So Puneet has won by how many points? 210 minus 180, that is 30 points. So it is Puneet. So option C we should select. Question 34 is, the given pictograph shows the number of tickets sold for 5 movies on Sunday. Then study the graph carefully, answer the following questions. If each ticket cost rupees 250, then how much more money was earned on selling tickets? Movie T, then movie U. We have to compare for movie T and movie U. Movie T and U. For T here, there are 7 pictures of tickets. Each picture represents 150 tickets. So it is 7 multiplied by 150, that is 1050 tickets. Similarly for U, there are 3 pictures. Each picture is 150 tickets, so it is 3 multiplied by 150, that is 450 tickets. So now the difference, 1050 minus 450 gives us 600. Each ticket cost is 250, so the total here is 600 multiplied by 250, which is 1,50,000. So answer has to be one among A or C. B and D are ruled out. Let us check the other Q option also. Find the fraction of number of tickets sold for movie S to the number of tickets sold for movie W. S and W. This is S here, W. For S, there are 4 pictures. So the number of tickets are 4 multiplied 150. For W, there are 6 pictures. So tickets are 6 multiplied 150. So the fraction here is 4 upon 6. That is 2 upon 3. So this means option C. 35 question, the last question of this paper. It is, we have to study the given pictures and then arrange them in ascending order according to their weights. So it is, the first weighing scale shows book plus teddy is 900 gram. Second shows teddy plus bike is 950 gram. Third weighing scale shows book plus bike is 850 grams. So now to solve this, what we need to do, this question, teddy plus bike, this second weighing scale, teddy plus bike is 950 gram and book plus bike here, third one is 850 gram. So we'll subtract this and this. This and this will subtract the information on second and information on third weighing scale. So it is teddy, I'm writing teddy T plus bike, that is BI, bike, equal to 950. So now in third weighing scale it is book, B for book, BI for bike, total is 850 gram. So we'll subtract these two. So that will give us teddy minus book is equals to 100 gram. When we subtract this, we'll get teddy minus bike is 100 gram. So now from first one, it says teddy plus book. Teddy plus book is this. First weighing scale is teddy plus book is equals to 900 gram. So now we'll add these two. These two will add. So it will give us the value of teddy. It will give us 2 teddy is equals to 1000 gram. This means teddy is 500 gram. So now we have got the value of teddy, which is 500 gram. So now since teddy we have got the value, we'll place this value in the first weighing scale here. If teddy is 500 gram, this means book is 900 minus 500, that is 400 gram. So now we have got the value of book also. Book here is 400 gram. So now only bike is remaining. So again teddy plus bike is 950 gram. Teddy is 500 gram. So this means bike is 950 minus 500, that is 450 gram. So bike value is 450. Now we can arrange them in ascending order. So book is the lightest one out of these 3 objects. So book is lightest, 400 gram. So first is book, second is bike, book, bike, and the last is teddy. So this is the ascending order for given 3 objects, book, bike and teddy, that is option C here. So this completes, with this question, this completes this paper of grade 4 year 23 set A IMO paper. So I hope you liked the video. This was a detailed explanation of each and every question of this paper. So please do subscribe the channel for more such informative videos, and not only papers but the important questions also will be uploaded in some videos on this channel, plus some tricky questions and some mathematical tricks will also be uploaded soon. So please do subscribe the channel, and please do share the videos with your friends and the Olympiad aspirants. So we'll meet in next video very soon. Till then, take care.